This.
So we are making onion pakoda and Vivek is going to start with it. We have like onions, sliced onions here, and then ground flour, right?
Yes, ground flour. We have ground flour. We are also making potatoes.
Yeah.
Mixing
White slaves who are doing all this.
We have some white slaves here. See?
Oh, the tables have turned.
Wow.
Vivek, the master chef, is mixing the ground flour. Cumin, okay,
Powder.
okay.
Everything in mild amount. Yes.
Okay.
Then goes garam
Little-
masala.
Okay,
Yeah,
little bit of
garam.
garam masala.
Yes, this is little spicy. That's why little.
Okay.
Then kurkuma.
Okay, turmeric powder.
Yes.
You only know the German word,
This
yeah?
is not German.
Yes, German.
Okay. That's German. Kurkuma.
Okay, what's that?
That's
Coriander?
kitchen king masala.
Oh, okay, some kind of magic masala from Varanasi.
I've done the work, master.
You've done your work.
And we're free now.
And what's that?
I'm not running like a slavery thing here. Please, guys. These people are accusing me of like slavery, but I'm not. See their hands.
I'm
They're
really
all
going to
free.
pause this, oh my god.
Their hands are all free, and they are still accusing me. And see the windows. Everything is open for jumping. Going down. Yeah, that's. Let me see how hot it is.
Our kitchen is not that fancy, you can excuse. Okay, then you add water.
Yes.
Right away.
Run away.
Okay, we are mixing that mixture, the onion and the masalas, and meanwhile we have kept the pan for heating the oil.
Can you guess what did we miss so far? The main ingredient.
Salt!
Yes.
Oh,
We miss the
Okay.
salt here.
Yeah,
so
okay,
we
okay.
need to add that as well.
you can take it from here.
This
Yep,
is salt.
yep.
This is German salt, Indian salt.
German, yeah.
German salt.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, and a pinch of salt.
Doesn't look like pinch.
A lot more than a pinch. So we are going to like deep fry it.
Yes.
So we need a lot of oil. Ooh, okay.
So have oil. Need more of this.
Okay.
It should be like a thicker, like not that thick, but it should the onion should not be like visible in their colors.
Ah, okay.
It should be like,
Coated.
yes, coated.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix.
More water.
Dobby is back.
Dobby is black. Nice.
I lost myself to decide to come back. I know no life except for this building. I don't know where to go.
Dobby. Where's my stick? Where's my that going?
You want to what, beat me?
What? No.
Abuse.
You. Guys, did I say a word like beating or anything? See, these guys are making things up and accusing me of false.
We got proof. It's all recorded.
It's on tape.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Hit me. Of course it's gonna be recorded.
Huh?
Dobby doesn't have any word.
No, Dobby was giving me an idea to use 2 words. Why?
Yes.
not
Don't be
Dobby?
smart.
No, but I think we should
No?
do it in
One.
one. Yeah.
Okay.
Because for this we need to create.
I mean, do we have enough time?
We need like an hour to get ready, okay? The girls.
Yes. What for?
1 hour. I was thinking to like just get ready in like 5 minutes. Just go change. But yeah, the girls need time. Yeah, it's fine.
Come on.
Yeah, it's fine.
So we're gonna start getting ready. We'll meet you in an hour. See you.
See who's the real slave here?
Mind games. Makes better. So properly.
Rules changed. So fast.
Yeah. So how can we help?
Is this done? Oh, doesn't bite.
God bless you. Don't die, someone needs to go home.
No, I was. The spices went into my nose. That's
Okay.
why I sneezed.
That's the consistency.
Yeah.
Okay, so
nice,
it's
no?
not that thick, no too runny as well. So
Yes. Yes.
now what?
Now what? We are waiting for the oil to be heated. Once
okay.
it is heated enough, we start putting. Before that, we need to taste it. And our doggy will taste.
Doesn't matter if I die, right? So it could be anything.
Doggy.
Why me? I have no idea how it's supposed to taste. Doesn't make any sense.
Okay, I take this doggy. then.
Okay.
So we start.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay,
It is like cooking. So we'll let it cook
Okay.
for a while and then we will turn it.
Okay.
And you put this thing, everything.
In between, I forgot to introduce. This is Elena. Hi. She's from she's from Russia, and that's Vivek. He's from India, Varanasi, right?
Yes.
Okay. Say hi, Vivek. Is your hand straight? Okay.
What am I here for? What am I just to stand like this?
Yes.
I'm a Statue of Liberty.
Wow.
Yeah, see? Dobby. It's my
Wow.
statue. I'm a statue of my own liberty.
Mm.
Okay, so we are going to make the potato ones.
The other ones, yes.
Okay.
He's gonna get a lot of haters in the comments because he treats me so poorly.
Guys, not that.
Abuse, emotional, physical, daily.
Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's
You may find Vivek's Instagram handle in the caption, so you can go and tell him directly.
yes. I would like to get blocked from Instagram. I don't use it either.
Who's gonna watch my the videos that I send you?
You show it to me. Yeah. Now they look good, so we can take this out.
Do we need tissues?
Huh?
Do we need a tissue?
Yeah, I mean, it's going to do a good job
Okay.
of getting rid of the
Oil.
oil.
So our first
Such an
batch
important-
is done.
Personally, yeah. Such an important task I was trusted with. Years of training for this moment. My mother would be so proud.
You can send her this video.
She doesn't speak English. Yeah, I can.
No, you can just take a screenshot of this part and send her saying, "See, I'm cooking."
Helping.
റെഡിയായി ഗൈസ്. ഞാൻ എലേനെ റെഡി ആക്കിയിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വന്ന് റെഡി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത് വേണ്ടെന്ന് ഡൗട്ടാണ്. എടുത്ത് കളഞ്ഞാലോ? കുഴപ്പമില്ല, നോക്കട്ടെ. അപ്പോൾ അവിടുത്തെ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് താഴെ പോയിട്ട് നോക്കിയിട്ടൊക്കെ പറയാം. എല്ലാവരും എന്തെടുക്കുവാന്നൊക്കെ. എല്ലാവരും വന്നു തോന്നുന്നു. ഞാൻ ലേറ്റായി. ഓടട്ടെ. ബൈ ബൈ.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ തന്നെ നല്ല ലേറ്റായി എത്തിയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഒരുപാട് ഫുഡൊക്കെ എനിക്ക് മിസ്സായി. പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഫോട്ടോസും വീഡിയോസൊക്കെ ഞാൻ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം എന്തോരം ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്ന്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു പോട്ട്ലക്ക് പാർട്ടി ആയിരുന്നു. എല്ലാവരും ഫുഡ് കൊണ്ടുവന്നു. നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Wait, I'll take. Ta-da! How is she looking?
Looking very pretty.
Yeah. My work, you know.
Your work is really nice.
Okay, thank you. ഹലോ, അങ്ങനെ പരിപാടിയെല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഞാൻ തിരിച്ചു പോവാണ്. നല്ല ദിവസമായിരുന്നു, അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങൾ ഫുഡൊക്കെ കുറേ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എനിക്ക് കുറേ ഫുഡൊക്കെ മിസ് ഔട്ടായി. പക്ഷെ കുഴപ്പമില്ല, കുറേ ഡിസേർട്ടൊക്കെ കിട്ടി. അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു. ഇറങ്ങുകയാണ്. എനിക്ക് നാളെ വർക്കുണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇത്രയൊക്കെ ഉള്ളൂ. സോ